Hi, what's up? How are you? Welcome again to Launch It with Winnie. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, like, share, listen to the video and leave a comment. Let me know what you want to learn. So definitely I am a product manager and these videos have been about product management, the do's, the don'ts, and so this one is about a template for your MVP. So I did a couple videos before about what is an MVP, what happens if you don't do one, what could happen if you do one. And one of the requests I got was to go through a template with you, and so that's what this video is about. But before I start, I'd like to just give a shout out to Yuan, from Black Canvas. He was my first subscriber, so super cool, Yuan. Thanks for the following. Love you. Alright, so at the end of this video, I'll let you know where I got this template from, and that way you can go through it yourselves. But let me just walk you through what this template has to offer. So first thing is basically talking about how do you create your MVP. First thing you need to do is to understand your business needs. So you need to determine what your long-term goals were. So I kind of went through this process on my own just to see if this template makes sense, does it work? And I kind of defined my business needs. Long-term, what I want to achieve is to help people to become product managers and to help companies to have good quality product managers and good product management services. So I kind of laid that out there. Then the next thing it says, create a user persona. Like, who is your user? What are their needs? What are their motivations? What are their pain points? All right, so I did that. My users, college students, people who want to transition. What are their needs? They want better opportunities. They want money. Or they just want a challenge. There's just so much things that product management can offer. So I kind of laid that down. The next thing the template said was you need to find your opportunity, right? Find your opportunity and what are your success criteria, and to find, so what is it going to mean successfully? So success for me means that I'm training 100 product managers a year. It has to be measurable. So I felt like it had to be something I have people coming in, people being trained, people finding opportunities, and we have companies meeting and getting their results. So those are my success criteria. I went down and it said, what are your actors? What are their actions? What are their stories? Their story ending. So who are my actors? So actors are people, actors in a play, actors in a skit. My actors are HR people. My actors are company CIOs or CTOs. My actors are students or product managers. If you're a product manager, you're my actor. And I listed out the different actions you'll be providing and then what the end of the story was for you. Then the next steps, it said, is to find your opportunity. So what are the pain points, what are the actions, and what are the gains that the customer would be getting? I put that all down. Then it said, how might we? So finding your opportunity, summarize your pains and your gains in an opportunity statement. So the opportunity statement can be, how might we expedite the application process? How might we help users find things more easily? So one of the things I had was, how might we help HR find qualified people to be product managers? All right, so list that out. Then it kind of says, figuring out your features through high impact, low impact, high urgency, low urgency, and then figuring out what goes into your MVP. And I went through that process. I did my priority matrix and bam, I was ready. I knew what was going to be in my MVP. I thought this resource was very, very useful, and if you stuck it out, definitely where I got this resource from was a company called Clearbridge Mobile. Their MVP profile I think is pretty dope. I'm going to leave a link to where you can also get this profile in the comments. As I said, like, share, subscribe. Anyone who wants to be a product manager or want more information about product management, this is the channel for you. Leave a comment, let me know what else you want to learn about. Peace.